Hi guys, welcome back to the Mindset Forex. I want to update you guys about my 10k Maven challenge. So I have unfortunately failed the challenge, and the reason being is our trading not following my actually money management style. And if you could see that this account, I failed the challenge on 27th of February. And if you could see my first loss on the 27th of February is $30, which is usual. Like I only take $30 loss on the each trade, and then I took up one more trade which was a loss of 25, and which is totally okay. And the third is, so after taking a three continuously loss, I actually overtrade. Like overtrading, this is the like most dangerous thing for any traders. So I took a big lot size and I took a, again loss. After some time I took a great trade. I would say that I have to wait it, but just for like having a fear I would lose more, I just close the trade. If I don't close this trade and I'll keep the trade open, this trade, it would give me a profit of $200. And after that, I took up one more one big trade, which is 2.5, and uh, loss of $97. And this is the last trade. After that, I have breached there the maximum loss limit. Let me show you the email. So if you could see, this is the email that I got from the Maven. I have drawdown limit reach. And let me tell you one more thing about Maven. I think these are the things that they should put in on their website. If they put it, please let me know, because I have not tried it and I think it is some. So let me go through. So I asked them like I have not reached fully the maximum drawdown limit, and they told me that the drawdown limit is measured by the highest equity reach. So the highest equity I have reached on this account is $10,066, and the 5% of that highest equity reach is 503. So please know that this drawdown limit apply to the maximum equity. And the one more thing that I think is bad about the Maven is they don't have an equity chart here. So I have tried to look at the equity chart, but I don't find it. I don't know why they don't put it, because if you could see, I can see the line of my balance, but not the equity. So I think there should be a one more chart about the equity, the highest equity you reach. So we should know that that will be about the limit of daily drawdown. So I am disappointed, but at the same time, I am very confident that I can do that in future. Reason being, I have started this account I think on the start of February, and after that, I this is the longest time that I have keep my account safe from like 20 to 25 days. Otherwise, I will blow it into the next maximum 1 week. So it means that I am like continuously improving my trading. Now I want to talk about my strategy. So basically, when I decided to take a profit challenge, it was not like that I just woke up and I decided that I will go for the trading. So I do have a trading strategy with the proper data, that how much my trading strategy have a winning ratio and all these things. Let me show you in details. So this is my strategy, and the strategy have a win rate of 38.12%, and the continuously loss I have 8 consistent loss and 4 consistent wins. So I have just this strategy almost like more than 311 times. It means that I have took 311 trades on this strategy. I started this strategy on the balance of 99,500, and after almost like 5 months, I have the account balance of $2,642. So it means that this strategy is profitable. Let me show you in chart. So this chart shows that how many times I have got loss and how many times I have took profit. So if you could see this strategy quite well work in London session, like you can see in 9. If you could see that I only took like 5 losses and 6 wins, what the risk to reward of 1.2. Yeah. One more thing I want to add here is that this strategy has a fixed 1/2 risk to reward, and I can adjust my stop loss to break even when my target hit 1 hour. So if you could see, I lost 5,000, but whenever I win 10,000 or 11,000, and you could see this is the pattern. So I want to add few things here before I end this video. So if you want me to backtest your strategy on a real market condition, you can contact me on Telegram or you can email me. I would love to do that, and I will try to find out the strategy which has a more win rate than 38% my own strategy with the risk to reward of 1.2. So if you think, if you did have any kind of strategy this and you want me to backtest that strategy, I am more than happy to do that. Keep subscribing this channel and help me to grow this channel. Thank you so much.